Hey guys, this is Ryan A and my brother Mark.
What's up?
Right, so y'all should know Mark. And if you can introduce yourself again.
Yeah, I'm Mark. I dropship. I have a YouTube channel about dropshipping. No bullshit dropship training. I have a YouTube channel called Grind Camp. I'm an amazing human being, and that's about it.
Okay, guys. So we're doing picking brains. This is dropshipping, right? So I had one or two friends ask me to get a little more information about how you get started dropshipping. And I'll put a link to a video of what is dropshipping. But you would
I hope it's one of my videos.
No.
Oh God.
But you would get it from Mark here live.
You really love your brother, you fucking motherfucker. Go ahead.
And then he'll tell you like.
By the way, I have the most videos on YouTube about dropshipping out of every human on earth. And he still doesn't choose one of my videos, but go ahead.
Which is actually true. Like he literally does.
Like I googled the other day how to check your traffic on eBay and found my video.
Okay guys, so there's no one else that can tell you more about dropshipping or the details about it either.
Anyway, go
the type of experience. So start with what is dropshipping.
Oh God, so dropshipping, I actually did a video about this morning. Dropshipping is selling stuff they don't have. So, and I know that sounds crazy. So like this is leather band. If I know where to buy it for, let's say I know where to buy that online for $10 with free shipping, before I even buy it, I could go to ebay.com, upload images, description, a price for $20 or $30, something that'll make me profit. And then if someone buys it, I just use the money and ship it directly to them, and the profit is my money, and that is now a drop shipped item. That's the basics of drop shipping. That's what drop shipping is.
And then what are I know they're like main platforms people drop.
You can drop ship, right? So you can drop ship on your own website, so you could sell stuff and drive traffic to your website. That's challenging because driving traffic to any website is challenging. You could also drop ship on eBay and Amazon. That's a lot better because there's already traffic provided and the people on these platforms are there to purchase, right? What actually came up in a conversation I had recently is like when you build your own website and you're doing marketing, most of the marketing you could do, most of the paid ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, YouTube, you're getting people at a time when they're not looking to buy. So you're stopping what they're doing to try to tell them, hey, come look at some shit and pull out your credit card and give me money. Which is highly unlikely as opposed to when
they come to Amazon.
I never even talk about this on my channel, so you're very lucky. I'll give you this video. Or when they come to Amazon, eBay, or even Etsy, right? One thing that you can do when you have, we'll go into other stuff, but one thing you can do when you have your own website is to list your stuff in Google Shopping. So when people search in Google Shopping, they're already trying to buy. And that's one of the first paid things that you could do that comes up when people trying to buy. Fuck, I hate chlorine. But yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so a lot of quality information. Like some of this I didn't even hear before.
Yeah, I never even talk about some shit on my website, on my channel.
But yeah, so then that is what is dropshipping, and then where you can, and then lastly, how you can get started. Like how much money you need, if you need a credit card.
So when you first get started, for beginners, get started on fucking eBay, right? Get started on eBay because to get started on eBay, you need an eBay account which is free. You need a PayPal account which is free. And eBay gives you a number of listings free to sell, right? If you never sold on eBay before, what would happen is when you sell an item, you're gonna have to use your own money, ship it to them, and when they get the tracking number, PayPal will release the money. But you could start with next to nothing. Like I could go on and on, right? But actually link to my fucking channel and you could
you'll see it pop up.
I could put I have a free training also that you could go do, and it's only an hour.
So that's free training.
Yeah, like you can get free training
for all of this.
Right, that's the thing. You can get an hour free training. You can do I have almost 1,000 videos on dropshipping, and it's also free to sell on eBay.
So just to give you all a little more perspective, I actually dropship for 6 months? About 6 months. Yeah. And in my first month, I made like $5,000 in sales.
Yeah,
and like
$500 or
like $500 in profit.
US,
right?
yeah.
That's my first month.
With no money.
With
because
nothing.
You had no fucking money.
Yeah, I had no money. Did I?
You had no money?
Yeah, I didn't have any money to start at all.
Yeah,
right?
you had $0.
Yeah. So, just to give you a perspective in that regard, but yeah, that's about it. I don't want to make it too long. You can actually go to his channel.
Yeah, actually go to my
get
channel and like
all the information that you need. So, yeah, guys, love you. This is Picking Brains with Ryan A. Subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.